Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to give you a tour of Red Hills Road. Now Red Hills is in the parish of St. Andrew, which is in the city of Kingston. And it's a very busy road with a lot of establishments. On the right is probably the most popular location on Red Hills Road, which is Price Mart. It's a wholesale club like Costco or BJ's. And this was actually their first location in Jamaica. And as you can see, it's a very busy road, a lot of food establishments. You have everything from KFC, Burger King, Island Grill, Juicy Patties. Tasty used to have a location on this road, but they sold it, and Bird Shack is actually setting up a location there. As you can see, it's a very busy road, a lot of stores, commercial district, along with, it's a mix. They have a lot of stores, commercial district, and then you have a lot of residential homes on off Red Hills Road as well. Alright guys, enjoy the tour. We're driving on Red Hills Road towards Washington Boulevard. We're not going to turn off, we're just going to go on the Washington Boulevard and go up to Constant Spring Road. That's St. Richard's Primary, one of the top primary schools in Jamaica. They always do very well in the exams. And on the right is KFC. Alright guys, enjoy the tour. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.